Days on the market in Anne Arundel County went from 21 to 37 in 1 year, nearly doubled, but 43% of those homes still sold in 10 days or less. This market isn't slow, it's split. Here's what that means for buyers and sellers right now. Hi, I'm Ryan Jakubowski with the Hulsman Group of Coldwell Banker Realty. Every month I go through the real numbers so that you can make smarter decisions, whether you're buying, selling, or just keeping tabs on the market. Let's get into it. Here are the numbers for March for Anne Arundel County. New closed sales were 521, up 4% from last March, and the median sales price of $508,000 is up 1.5% year over year. The active inventory, 901 homes, is up 18% from a year ago. So volume is up, prices are still climbing, but the pace of individual sales, that's where things get interesting. So 739 new contracts in March. That's up 7.7% from last year. Buyers are still in it. New listings came at 688, up just 1.9%. So demand is outpacing the new supply. And inventory is climbing. 18% rise tells you that homes are sitting longer overall. But when something's priced right, buyers still jump on it fast. In our supply and speed section, let's look at the days on market breakdown. 226 homes, or 43% of everything that sold, went under contract in 10 days or less. That's real demand, but average days on market jumped from 21 to 37, up 76% in 1 year. And 122 homes, about 23%, took more than 30 days to sell. Inventory is up 18%. The homes that are priced right are moving. The rest are feeding that growing pile. The market's telling you exactly what it thinks about overpriced listings. In our pricing section, the median sold price was $508,000, up 1.5% from last March. Steady appreciation. Sellers are averaging 98.9% of their original list price. That's down from 99.9% a year ago. That 1% doesn't sound like much, but it tells you buyers have a little more room to push back than they did. At the top end, Davidsonville average sale of $941,000, Riva at $854,000, and Severna Park at $765,000. Those areas are holding strong. But in the more affordable pockets, Glen Burnie average of $420,000, Pasadena at $431,000, and Odenton at $449,000. Those areas are down 3 to 10% year over year. Homes priced right are closing in under 10 days. The ones that aren't, they're piling up in the 31-plus day bucket. Pricing doesn't just affect how fast you sell, it determines which market you're in. In our mortgage section, the 30-year fixed is at 6.39% as of early April. Rates have ticked up from earlier this year. Here's why. Inflation has come in hotter than expected. Oil prices are rising, tied to the Iran conflict, and that's feeding into energy and transportation costs. The Fed has backed off from any near-term rate cuts. We're still well below the 7+% peak from a few years ago. For sellers, buyers are still out there. 521 closings in March proves it. But their payment sensitivity is real. That's another reason pricing matters. All right, for the bottom line, Anne Arundel County is two markets right now. The right condition, right location, right price, you can still expect to sell fast and close close to full ask price. Overpriced or needs work, it's going to sit a while, and inventory keeps building around it. If you're thinking about buying or selling in Anne Arundel County, reach out. Call, text, or DM me. Links are in the bio. If this was helpful, pass it along to someone who needs it.